A lazy boy. Mauro is a 17 years old boy. He lives with his parents, but Mauro is a little lazy. Yesterday, his mother came home and found him lying on the sofa in the afternoon. So, she asked him,
Mauro, you have work today, haven't you?
"No, I haven't."
Why, Mauro? You are not sick, are you?
"No, I am not."
So, why haven't you gone to work?
"Because I overslept, Mom."
Oh, but you went to bed early yesterday, didn't you?
"No, I didn't."
If you don't become more responsible, you will lose your job. You don't want to lose your job, do you?
"Well, I don't know."
What?